What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO Virtual Card or BDO Virtual Credit Card. Ano nga ba yung purpose ng BDO Virtual Credit Card? Then why you should have to choose in securing BDO Virtual Credit Card? So bakit nga ba mas maganda na kumuha kayo ng BDO Virtual Credit Card? At saka ano yung features niya? Kasi di ba tumatawag si BDO, nag-offer ng BDO Virtual Card. So dapat ka nga bang kumuha or hindi? Pag-uusapan natin yan ngayon kung ano nga ba yung advantages in having BDO Virtual Credit Card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lamang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, the BDO Virtual Card. Ayan yung itsura ng BDO Virtual Card na sinasabi ko. Wala siyang EMV chip at saka alam mo yun, ganun lang siya. Para siyang card lang na wala siyang wiring. Makikita mo lang is yung details. Card number, expiry date, at saka yung CVV na sinasabi. Confidential details din yan, guys. Kailangan nyo maging aware. Kasi it's a virtual card, so meaning it is designed for online transactions, for a secure online shopping experience. It's because, aside from BDO credit card talaga, alam mo yung credit card, yung physical card ninyo, hindi mo ito pwedeng gamitin pang swipe, itong card na to. Kasi, yung gagamitin nyo kung bibili kayo sa merchant or physical store is yung credit card nyo talaga. Itong virtual is details lang yung makikita nyo. As you can see, wala siyang magnetic stripe. Hindi siya pwedeng i-swipe. So ngayon, ang purpose niya is online shopping purposes. From the word itself, virtual. Designed exclusively for secure online payments to your delivery apps, online stores, digital wallets, and more. Since ito ay virtual, it is designed for online transactions. So ngayon, let's talk about why choose BDO Virtual Card. Free Virtual Card. All principal accounts and elite supplementary accounts get it for free. So don't worry guys about virtual credit card kasi wala siyang annual fee. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin, may annual fee nga ba ang BDO Virtual Card? Wala po. Ang sagot is walang annual fee ang BDO Virtual Card. Free siya for life. BDO Credit Card Peso Rewards. Earn peso points with the same spend point value as your principal BDO credit card. So you can earn BDO Credit Card Peso Rewards points by using it through online shopping platform like Shopee, Lazada, Shein, TikTok Shop, alam mo yun, lahat ng Alibaba man yan or ganyan. Basta, something na nangangailangan ng online or ng card details. Ito yung gamitin nyo. Kasi mas secure yung account ninyo. Since, parang mangyayari dyan is protected yung physical card, yung sinaswipe ninyo. Kasi doble responsibilidad kasi yung physical card. Kapag nilink nyo siya sa online shopping platforms. Protect your account information. Tulad ng sabi ko, it comes with its own card and verification code, thereby protecting your principal credit card. So since ito ay, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, may sarili siyang account or card number. So protected yung isa nyong credit card, which is yung ginagamit nyo pang swipe. Have full control of your credit limit. Set your sub-limit based on your online payments needs. Simply call the BDO Contact Center to request for adjustment. So ito guys, ang nais kong malaman ninyo na yung BDO Virtual Card is pwede nyong baguhin yung credit limit niya. Pwedeng 10% lang, 15%, 25%, 50%, 75%. Kung magkano yung credit limit ng principal or yung physical card ninyo, yung ginagamit nyo pang swipe. Para hindi ganun kalaki, halimbawa nagkaroon ng fraud transactions dito. So hindi mauubos, hindi malilimas yung credit limit ng credit card ninyo. Since binawasan nyo or binabaan nyo like 50,000 lang, 55,000 lang. So, hindi ganun kasakit sa bulsa bayaran. American Express Membership Rewards, Points or Cashback. Earn membership rewards, points or cashback on online purchases, same as your primary American Express. So, kahit American Express ni BDO guys, is pwede rin pwede rin kayo mag-request ng virtual card actually. Track your purchases. Transactions will be reflected under the principal credit card account where the virtual card is attached to. So, since ito ay nakalink sa physical card yung sinasabi ko, yung ginagamit yung pang swipe, doon din mag-reflect yung transactions, of course. Mapapansin nyo yan doon sa transaction history ninyo. Ngayon, let's talk about key features of the BDO virtual card. Security. It has a different card number and CVV from your primary card, providing an added layer of security for online purchases. So, sabi ko, may sarili siyang card details. Adjustable credit limit. You can set up a specific credit limit for the virtual card within your total primary card limit to manage online spending. So, sabi ko, pwede mong bawasan, like for example, 1 million yung credit limit ng principal card o lagyan mo lang siya ng 100,000. So, nagkaroon ng unauthorized transactions, naubos yung 100,000, hindi ganun kalaki since naka-expose siya sa online transactions. Online use only. It is designed exclusively for online transactions and cannot be used for in-store purchases or ATM cash advances. So, sabi ko, pang-online lang talaga siya. Bawal siya gamitin pang cash advance, pang swipe sa in-store purchases, something ganyan. Then tracking all transactions appear on the same statement of account as your primary card, making tracking simple. So lahat ng transactions you guys is nag-a-appear doon sa primary card transactions ninyo. Then yan, let's talk about paano nga ba magkaroon ng BDO virtual card or how to get a BDO virtual card. Paano nga ba magkaroon? If you have an active BDO MasterCard, Visa, or American Express credit card, you can apply for a virtual card. So, meaning lahat ng may existing credit card sa BDO, pwede kayo mag-apply for a BDO virtual card. Unang hakbang, via BDO Online, log into your account through BDO Online website or application. Select the BDO credit card you want to link to a virtual card and complete the application. So, all you have to do is, like, for example, marami kayong credit card sa BDO, meron kayong Platinum, Gold, Shop More. So, pipili kayo ngayon kung ano yung gusto nyong lagyan ng virtual card. Isa-select nyo yon. Then, navigate more, service request, credit card services, then get virtual card. So, pagka-click niyo pipili kayo kung ano yung credit card na gusto nyo malagyan ng virtual card. Make sure lang guys na mapili nyo yung tama. Double check ninyo. Via phone. Call the BDO contact center or customer service contact center via 632-888-8000 or 888-8000 domestic toll-free to apply by phone. So, pwede rin siya guys via telephone call sa contact center ni BDO. Tumawag kayo doon, then sabihin nyo na meron kayong may multiple credit card kayo sa BDO. So, gusto nyo lang yung Platinum yung magkaroon ng virtual card. Pwede yon. So, ito guys, just a friendly reminder. So, hindi ibig sabihin guys na sinasabi na security added layer, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi na-expose sa risk of unauthorized transactions yung credit card ninyo. Exposed pa rin yun guys. Kaya naman dapat yung pagkaingatan, dapat yung maintindihan na yung BDO virtual card is confidential at hindi dapat siya binabalandra kung saan-saan. Kasi delikado yon kapag nakuha yung details nun, mapicturan at gamitin sa online transactions, magpupush through yung application or yung transaction na yun kung naka-online or hindi naka-lock yung credit card o yung virtual card na yun. Kasi may sarili rin siyang options guys to lock. So, kailangan mo rin siya i-lock ng kanya talaga. So, I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!